my cuties, welcome back. So we're going to start off with my yellow out of my crayon case palette, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. And you're going to want to keep packing that yellow on just to get it as opaque as you want it to. Because I had to keep packing it on a couple of times to make sure it looked the way I wanted it to. And I'm just using a e.l.f. blending brush from the black line, because they have like brushes that are black and some that are white. And of course, my next palette that I'm going to use is my Melissa Michelle palette, the orange color, Bang Bang. I think I've used it in almost every makeup video I did so far. But that color is coming next, and I'm going to use that same brush just on the opposite side. And I placed that a little bit underneath that yellow. And that yellow, I actually kind of placed it really close to my brow bone just because it was such a light color. It really wasn't going to do much of anything. And then I just placed the orange a little bit underneath it. And I'm going to go back into my crayon case, and I used that tropical punch color, the pink color, and that red color. And I just took the brush and dipped them back and forth in both colors. And I'm using the Real Techniques eye blending brush. And I put that right underneath the orange. I just hate the light. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait till I get some more light so y'all can actually see the colors and a better camera. But I'm working on it. But now I'm using a pencil brush, and I actually have some black on that. And I was outlining where I wanted to put the black because at first I was kind of scared to use the black. But I went into my e.l.f. eye blending brush because I just decided to use the black and just put it underneath that orange. And I just put that black kind of sort of in my crease and a little bit above it just to make sure when I did cut my crease, you could still see the black once it was finished. And what I did to help blend in some techniques that I learned from other videos, like B. Marie's cut crease videos, she goes back and forth with the previous brushes that she used with the previous colors. So since I used orange before the black, I will go back with the brush that I had the orange on and use it to blend out the top edges of the black to help it look blended. And then the same with the yellow. So when I did the orange, I took the brush with the yellow on it and blended out the edges of the orange. And now that I'm doing the black, I took the brush with the orange on it and blended out the edges of the black. And then I added the pink and yellow color somewhere back in there too on top of the black. I mean, shoot, not pink and yellow, pink and red. I'm tripping. I'm tripping hard. But that's what this brush is right here. It's actually me going back in with the pink and the red to try to also blend out some of the edges of the black. And that blending really does take some time. That's why I sped this up, because y'all be here for days. And cutting that crease. But I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color, I believe it was Misty Beige. That's not what I highlight with. I just decided to get that lighter color for my eyes so the colors can pop a little bit more. At least that's what I kind of learned from B. Marie and her cut creases. And I'm using the e.l.f. concealer brush. I feel like I kind of went up a little too high on this, mainly because my creases are so weird. It's like I have a whole bunch of extra skin or something there and wrinkles, so it feels weird. So sometimes it makes me feel like I have to go up that far, even if I don't. But you have to make sure you cut your crease really nicely and take your time, because you don't want to go up too far or too low or mess up one corner and one corner is up higher than the other and it's like looking diagonal or something. You just look really crazy. But I use concealer this time actually instead of the NYX eyeshadow base because it dries down faster. And with concealer you don't have to use much to try to, to get the point. But at the end of it, I just went straight down and I used my finger to pat that in so it can look more gradient. Versus the last cut crease I did when I just took it and went angled all the way down and I didn't do the square at the edge. But right here, I just took my blender brush and took some black on that and just put that in the outer corner of that crease where that straight edge was. Hello?
Okay, we in the highway. That was a trace talking to Daddy on the phone. I watched you in answer.
Oh, I thought y'all been on the way.
Girl, what? Stop. Daddy takes forever. You can't go to that after coming out. You can't go there because kids last level. You can't go there as coming out.
Who that, Daddy?
Oh yeah, Daddy. I remember. I thought you was going Friday. I was about to tell me what to do.
Hey,
You
Daddy.
didn't even go live.
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy, kiss her. Hey. Okay, Dad.
Okay, for some reason my pop-up of the way the eyeshadow look went away, but I'm just using the Kiss Professional Single Eyeshadow in the color Chaos. It's a shimmer yellow color that I also got from almost everything Cut Crease related would probably always be me talking about Bae Marie because she's just so talented. But I got this color actually from watching one of her videos. I think it's the fall. Don't even give me the line. I'm not even about to say it at all. But I think it's one of her fall videos, and the thumbnail is her with like a yellow shimmery eye and a blue. She did blue on the bottom lash line. I bought the blue, but I didn't do it because I decided not to do it for a face because it was late. So that's why I just did the eyeshadow because I figure I need more practice with my eyeshadow. Sometimes face makeup can get repetitive and I feel like I'm decent at it. Not saying that I won't ever need help again, but I will. But thanks so much for watching and have a good day. Hope you like my eyeshadow and hope you can see the color somewhat. Bye. Mwah. Shots have been fired, lady. Shots have been fired. Don't mind me.